Look at the amazing color of the fried rice with the jumbo shrimp. Yum!
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make spicy shrimp fried rice. This I've made out of leftover rice. Now this is one way to finish your leftovers and create a new dish which your family will love. With just a few ingredients and some sauces here and there, you have a new dish. Everyone's happy. Let's get started. Come on.
You can always adjust the quantity of the oil if needed. Fresh garlic and ginger will make this dish even more flavorful. Just saute a bit to mix. Here I have 20 jumbo shrimp, which are the stars of the show. Saute until they change the color to light pink. You can add more veggies like broccoli, beans, baby corn instead of the corn kernels, and green pepper. Check out my Instagram link below for some exciting recipes to be featured soon on my channel. Give it a good mix. The shrimp gets cooked quickly in just about 5 to 6 minutes. The dark soy sauce will give the rice a deep color. You can increase the sauce quantities for more spice. Try to use a thick teriyaki sauce for a better texture of the final dish. I'm not adding any salt as all of the sauces have a good amount of salt. Look at how vibrant the colors look already and the aroma is amazing. I like the taste of black pepper in the fried rice. At this point, I'm essentially cooking on high heat. This is the leftover rice which I had made for the chicken curry that I made yesterday. Saute on high heat to integrate the flavors. Now we are almost done. Garnish with the spring onions and we are ready to serve. I can't wait to have a bowl full of this yummy rice. The detailed recipe is in the description box below, so do check it out. I'll be showing such recipes where you can use up your leftovers and make an entirely new dish. So stay tuned. Look at how lovely and inviting it looks. Hope you'll make it soon.
I hope you like this recipe. This is a zero wastage recipe where you recycle your old food, make a new dish, and everyone loves it. Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you next week. Bye.